Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to show you how you can use Revair blow dryer if you're in Nigeria, Africa, or any of the European country, because Revair blow dryer is actually designed for people in the US and Canada, but there's always a way around it. So today I'm just going to show you how I was able to use the Revair here in Nigeria. So this is the manual. I'm just going to take everything out. This is everything. This is the chamber. Yeah. So let me just take this cover out. Okay, so I've taken the cover out. This is what it's looking like. So I'm going to try to attach. This to it. It's actually very easy to fix. So yeah, so once you fix this, you're going to have to lock this. So this is done, this is done, and for this part you're going to have to align them together. So it should look like this, then lock. Very easy. It's actually very easy to fix. So now I'm going to show you guys the transformer that I will be using. So this is what a step down looks like. So I got the 1500 watts because this Revair is 800 watts. I wanted something with a higher watt in case of anything and any other appliance that I'm going to get. So let me guys, this transformer is very heavy. I think it's more than 20 to 25 kg. It's actually very heavy. So what this transformer does is that it takes in higher voltage and converts it into the right amount of voltage that the Revair is going to need. So it regulates the amount of current that goes through it to give your appliance the right amount, so you don't end up burning your Revair. So this the step down has two outlets, one here and then another one here. According to the Revair, you can't use more than 120 volts. You should connect it to a 120 volt outlet. So this side of the transformer, the step down, gives out 110 volts in or out, while the other side takes in 220 volts in or out. So I'm going to connect this part to my socket, then connect my Revair to this side. You need to do this, else you're going to end up blowing your Revair. If you don't connect it right, you're going to end up wasting your $400. So this is my 220 volt. Like I said, I'm going to be connecting this side to the socket. Then I'm going to be connecting my Revair to the 110 side. So without this, guys, you're going to waste your money, because Revair is actually designed for people in the US and Canada, but if you want to use it here in Africa, this is the best option. So now that I've connected this, I'm just going to turn it on and show you guys. And that's it. Very easy, guys. As you guys can see, I've already turned on my Revair, so the light is on. So let me just show you guys. Let me just show you guys. It's already on, so I'm just going to increase the setting. Can you guys see? It's actually very easy. So you can keep increasing. You can keep increasing or decreasing. this on this 0 part, it says it's the cool setting. So if you want to have a little bit of heat, you can now take it to 1. If you want a higher temperature, then you take it to 2. And that's it. Very easy, very simple. So you can use Revair anywhere. So let me just attempt it again on a small part of my hair. So let's get going, guys. So guys, I just took down this part of my hair. So I'm going to attempt this again. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wet this part of my hair and then try to use the Revair on it. The last time I didn't enjoy the result. Hopefully this time around I'm going to see something positive. I'm still trying to learn how to use this, but I've already showed you guys how to set it up. If you're in Nigeria, Africa, Europe, just yeah, this is how you do it. So let me just go wet this part of my hair and then I'll be back. So guys, as you guys can see, I actually have a lot of shrinkage. So this is my hair. I've already wet my hair. It's not soaking wet, but it's damp enough. So yeah, let me just try it this time around and see if it's going to work. So my Revair is already set. So let me just turn it on. I'm going to leave it on the cool setting for now. I think this is way better than the last time. I am excited this time around. This is more like it, because the last time, I don't know, I wasn't just convinced. But oh yeah, definitely doing this. Come on guys, right? I know, right? I know, right? Okay, I'm just excited, guys. The last time, I think the problem I had was that I wasn't taking note of this heat setting, the 1 and 2, and then the cool setting. I think I was just doing everything on the cool side, and yeah, I think a little bit of heat will give you a better result. So yeah, definitely this is way better than the last time. And yeah, so I'm not going to do this now because I'm still carrying this. Probably when I take this down and wash my hair, I'm going to blow dry my entire hair. But for now, I think I'm satisfied with this result. So yes, this is definitely, yes, there's no regret now, because I was almost regretting spending that amount of money, because $400 for Revair and 62,000 naira for the transformer. Guys, that's a lot of money. That is a lot of money. So I think yeah, this is a better result. I can still do some more, but I think this is good enough. So yeah, so I'm just going to end this video here. I am excited. I'm okay with the result. So see you in my next video. Bye.